So today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the wiper linkage on your 2008 to 2000 whatever Mitsubishi Lancer, because they're all the same and they love to break. So as you can see, when we turn on the ignition and go to flip the wipers, you can hear the wiper motor activate, but the wipers don't actually move. So listen. So we're gonna try to fix that. What we're gonna be starting with is taking off these kind of plastic clips on both sides. And then we'll be able to take out this entire plastic unit to have access to the linkage. We are then going to pop off these caps right over here, and these are 14 millimeters, and we're gonna take them off. This is going to let us wiggle the wipers off of the actual linkage. So once you take off the wipers, you can just set these aside. Just gonna put this over here. And as you can see, that is where the wiper is attached to. Now what I'm gonna do is give this a little pull over here, and it should come out. Yeah, that's, oh yeah. All of those clips on the bottom are gonna break inevitably, unfortunately. And there's not much I can do about that. Look, they're already broken. They're already broken, but all of these are gonna break. See that? That one's already broken. And that one's not even on. Okay. Okay, well. Any other ones here? Yeah, there's one in the middle. And now let's just pull this out. Put a little towel down here. Oh boy. Nice. Really nice. Okay. So I wonder where it failed. Oh, I think something was supposed to be connected there. All right, we'll see. Hold on. Next, what you're gonna do, oh God. Yeah, I don't know where that went. I'll find that later. Anyways, next what you wanna do here is remove this piece. It's going to allow you access to that back bolt. And yeah, let's take this thing out. Over here you can immediately see the problem. That is not doing anything. So that is precisely why. Nothing is happening here. Linkage broke right there. Let's turn the wipers off. So the actual linkage is mounted entirely with 10 mils. So to take it out, you have one over here. You have one down there. You have one over here. You have another one over here. And you have another one right down there. Extension with a U-joint, and we will be able to slide it out exactly just like that. So as you can see, this is exactly where this linkage failed, right here. This little nipple that goes into this cup just popped out, and that's the end of that. So let's go and take this thing out here. Oh, these are a bit tricky sometimes. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. And there you go, side by side, precisely where it broke. As you can see, this would go here normally, but it's not. Hopefully this one here is a bit stronger. It's still off of a used car, but it was a 2014 or 2012 and cost me 50 bucks. So we're gonna put it on. Oh, you can even see it started cracking over here. Nice. So we're gonna put it on and hope for the best. So just intuitively looking at this, what I can pick up is that there are these markings over here, and you wanna line up this arrow on the actual spinning part in the middle of those 3 lines, you can call it. And then that'll make sure that the wipers are all lined up properly. I'm assuming. I'll let you know if they're not. I just fitted in the new one, and I'm going to start putting back all the bolts and throw the wipers on and see what happens. Threw the new linkage in, put this back on. We're gonna throw in these plastic clips and give her a test. Throw those caps back on there. And that was a very quick, successful install that you could do in like 15-20 minutes. And that's super good, because I thought it would be impossible. Or at least I was told it was tough. But it wasn't that tough, guys, don't worry. And that is a wrap Let me show you the final result. Good as new. Making this video because I haven't found it online and I wanted one to help me replace mine, but I couldn't find one unfortunately, so I decided to make one for you guys. Hope you enjoyed. This is how you replace your wiper linkage on a Lancer.